Now here's Lemonjello in the dolly. Prediction, he'll whine and actually want help leaving, unlike the other cat. You gonna come out? You certainly can't fit through those holes. Oh, there's the first whine. 25 seconds. Oranjello didn't whine for 5 minutes. And you whined in 25 seconds. Plus this one is not a climber, so I don't think he could get out. What do you think, Lemonjello? What do you think? You're kind of boring, Lemonjello. Come on. You got the catnip? I wonder if that would inspire him to jump out. What? Come on. Okay. Big old bag of catnip. Does this inspire you? Look. A bunch of catnip. If you come out, come on. You want the catnip? Oranjello's just circling like, how do I get in there to the catnip? It's the Purrlin Wall. Alright, not very exciting actually. Here comes your release. Oh, it's not that bad. There. You're gonna have some catnip now. Yeah, it's closed. Not for long though. Oranjello's gonna rip it open. Alright, no. You'll get it. Oh.
Put holes in it.
Yeah, here, why don't you do your thing. Somebody's got catnip for you. Don't put it where I have to jump.